Hey there, a quick note enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting journey where we delve into 20 ideas for earning passive income as a college student. If you're as passionate about passive income as we are, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more income goodness. Alright, let's get started. College students often face difficulties making money because their work schedules can clash with classes. This challenge has prompted many students to discover smart ways to earn money without spending a lot of time. If you're a college student curious about making money while keeping your focus on studies, you might find it useful to know about passive income. In this article, we discuss why earning passive income is beneficial for college students and share a list of 20 simple ways to do it. 1. House or pet sitting. Taking care of someone's house or pets can involve different tasks depending on what the person needs. When you house sit, you stay at someone's home while they're not there to make sure everything stays safe. If you're pet sitting, you might visit the house 1 to 3 times a day to check on the pets, feed them, and take care of other things they need. 2. Rent your car or bicycle. If you don't use your car or bike often, think about renting them out. Online services can assist you in transforming your car into a temporary rental or connecting you with individuals who want to rent your bike. It's a flexible way to earn extra money because you can easily start or stop whenever you want. 3. Stream video games online. Many people worldwide now enjoy watching others play video games as a form of entertainment. Some game streamers earn so much that they can quit their regular jobs and stream games full-time. However, even if you don't have a huge following, streaming regularly to a modest number of viewers can still bring in a small but helpful passive income. 4. Sell stock photography. If you enjoy taking photos, you can earn passive income by selling them as stock photos. You have options like selling your photos to a company for a fixed amount or using websites where you can upload your photos. With the latter, you'll receive a percentage of the money each time someone buys the rights to use one of your photos. It's a great way to make money from your photography hobby. 5. Become an influencer. Social media influencers can earn passive income through various avenues. Many social media platforms provide opportunities to monetize posts, offering compensation based on engagement metrics. Additionally, influencers can secure sponsorships where brands pay them to promote their products or services online. This sponsorship income can be a lucrative source of passive earnings for influencers. 6. Advertise with your car. Certain companies might pay you to display their advertisements on your car. The payment varies based on your location, the company, and the number of miles you drive. It's possible to have multiple advertisements on your car simultaneously, which can boost your passive income. 7. Fill out online surveys. Look on the internet for survey sites that pay for each survey you complete. Look out for platforms that provide sign-up bonuses when you register. Numerous surveys take only a few minutes to finish, making it convenient to do them between other tasks or during your free time. 8. Create an app. If you have programming skills, think about creating a straightforward app like a game or habit tracker. You can generate passive income by making it a paid app. Adding in-app purchases is also a smart idea to increase your earnings. 9. Sell items online. Numerous websites and social media platforms provide a platform for selling items. You can sell used things like clothes, electronics, or books. If you enjoy crafting, there's also the opportunity to sell handmade items. 10. Open a high-yield savings account. For those who want low-risk and low-effort passive income, exploring high-yield savings accounts is a great option. Researching online accounts is especially beneficial as they often offer higher interest rates. While it may not be as lucrative as other options, all you need to do is deposit your money. 11. Become a note-taker. If you're good at taking notes, you can explore opportunities to get paid for taking notes for others. This might be available on your campus and can be particularly helpful for students with disabilities. You can also extend this service beyond campus, such as taking notes for elderly clients or others who may require assistance. 12. Sell your textbooks. As the semester wraps up, think about selling your old textbooks. Campus bookstores typically buy them back at a discounted price. If you're looking to make a bit more money, consider selling to fellow students at a price lower than the bookstore but higher than the buyback rate. 13. Become a video editor. Numerous online video creators enlist the help of others to edit their videos. You can discover these job postings on social media or mentioned in their videos. Additionally, there are online content companies that might hire freelance video editors through job postings on the internet. 14. Complete micro gigs. Numerous websites offer payment for micro gigs, which are small tasks like identifying a picture, taking surveys, or selecting relevant search results. While these tasks may only pay a few cents each, they typically take just seconds to complete. This makes them easy to do at any time of day and requires minimal effort. 15. Online user testing. Companies launching new websites often pay individuals to test them before they officially go live. This testing involves using the website as intended and reporting any issues or bugs you encounter. You can find job postings for these positions online. 16. Sell homegrown produce. If you have space for growing produce and enjoy gardening, consider selling your harvest. You can target other students who may not have easy access to grocery shopping or rely on dining halls. Additionally, explore opportunities to sell at a local farmers market by setting up a table for your produce. 17. Translate online. If you're fluent in multiple languages, providing translation services online can be a valuable source of passive income. You can find opportunities for smaller, quick jobs or larger translation projects that offer higher pay. Look for websites specifically designed for connecting translators with jobs, sign up, and start exploring available opportunities. 18. Become a professional friend. For individuals with extroverted personalities, becoming a professional friend can be a potential source of passive income. You can register on an online rent-a-friend service, create a profile for others to see, or select your own jobs. Being a professional friend involves accompanying paying customers to events, traveling with them, or showing them around a specific area. 19. Rent your storage space. If you have extra storage space, like in a rented house, you could potentially earn passive income by renting it out, which can be particularly helpful for college students facing storage challenges in dorms. Establish guidelines for access, storage duration, and set fees before offering this service to potential renters. 20. Participate in sleep studies. If there are organizations or companies in your area conducting sleep research, you might be able to turn it into a source of passive income. Some colleges also offer sleep study opportunities on campus. Many sleep studies compensate their participants, meaning you could potentially get paid for participating in these studies, essentially getting paid to sleep. And that's a wrap for today's A Quick Note adventure. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to show some love by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. We've got loads more topic content coming your way. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with A Quick Note. Cheers.